In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to open Windows 10 Task Manager. Knowing how to access the Task Manager can be incredibly useful for monitoring your computer's performance and managing running applications. There are several ways to do this, so let's explore each method, ensuring you can find one that works best for you. Firstly, one of the quickest methods to open Task Manager is by using keyboard shortcuts. The most direct shortcut is Ctrl plus Shift plus S. This quickly opens the Task Manager, giving you immediate access without any intermediate steps. Another popular shortcut is Ctrl plus Alt plus Delete. When you use this combination, a new screen will appear with several options. Here, you'll want to select Task Manager from the list. This method offers the security benefit of allowing you to return control to the Task Manager if an application becomes unresponsive. Next, let's talk about using the taskbar to open Task Manager. All you need to do is right-click anywhere on the taskbar, which is the bar at the bottom of your screen. In the context menu that appears, simply click on Task Manager. This approach is intuitive for those who prefer using the mouse over keyboard shortcuts. Another option available is through the Start menu. Begin by clicking the Windows Start button, typically located at the lower left corner of your screen. Once it's open, type Task Manager in the search bar. As you type, Windows will show the search results. When you see Task Manager in the list, click on it to open. Lastly, there is the traditional Run dialog box method. This involves pressing the Windows key plus R on your keyboard to open the Run box. In the dialog, simply type Task MGR and then hit Enter. This method is quite efficient for those who are accustomed to using the Run dialog for launching applications. Each method has its unique advantages, whether it's the speed of a keyboard shortcut or the familiarity of the Start menu. Being able to access the Task Manager easily can help you manage system resources effectively, troubleshoot performance issues, and maintain overall system health. Whether you're shutting down an unresponsive application or monitoring system performance, having these methods at your disposal means you're prepared for any situation. So go ahead and try out each approach to see which one you find most convenient for your everyday tasks. Happy computing!